So 10 years ago, my mom joined us on Simple Secrets where she showed us how to make rotis in 2 minutes. You remember that?
Yes, I did.
And today the pro is going to show us how to use the Instant Pot pressure cooker.
Well, let's not say pro, but let me tell you a story. Many years ago, my aunt had a pressure cooker and it blew up on her face and her face got burned. And it was a manual pressure cooker. She didn't let the pressure release. Many years later, I was given a pressure cooker for Mother's Day. I was excited, but I was also very scared. And then I learned how to use it and I overcame my fear and the pressure cooker became my friend.
And I'll never forget how you always tell us, guys, I'm going to make you a curry in a hurry.
Yes.
So guys, let's get into the unboxing. I'm so excited.
Me too, I'm so excited.
Okay, let's do this, Mom.
Yes.
It says, hello, thank you for welcoming us to your kitchen. Get ready to experience fun, healthy cooking in an instant. Okay, so we needed some help getting this out of the box because it's really heavy. It's an 8 liter and it comes with an Instant Pot Duo multi-use pressure cooker, safety, maintenance and warranty, a recipe booklet and a getting started guide, as well as not forgetting the pressure cooker and a plug. Okay, so now let's get into the functions of this. Okay, so we have soup, broth, meat, stew, bean, chili, poultry, rice, multigrain, porridge, steam, slow cook, pressure level, keep warm, yogurt, saute, delay start, cancel, and pressure cook. So we have the float valve. It pops up when the pressure is built up fully, and that's how you know the pressure is built up. And it lowers into the lid when the pressure gets lower. So we have the steam release handle, which is sealing and venting. Sealing is when we are going to pressure cook, and venting is when we're going to let the pressure out. So we just push it towards that way. Then we have the condensation collector. It's important to remember to always take this out and wash it because it can get a little dirty over time. So for hygiene purposes, remember to have that washed. So we remove the plastics, and a lot of people don't know this, but it has fins on either side. There's these fins. You can put them into the little holes that are on either side of the pot, and once you put that in there, it stands your lid up. A lot of people don't know this, so that's a good thing. Okay, and then we have the, what did you say this was, Mom?
This is a trivet with the handles. So this is how you lift it. It's for steaming.
Okay, let's put that there. And in here we have our stainless steel pot. Most pots, most pressure cookers come with a coating on the inside, and over years the coating comes out, right? You've experienced that?
Yes, a lot of it comes out.
And at times you don't know if it's Teflon coating, and as you know, Teflon can be really harmful and cancerous. So this is also nice for cleaning, easy to clean.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. And inside here we have the, what is that?
This is a heating element.
The heating element that no water or any liquid should go on, right?
Your pot must always be in there before you start cooking.
I heard if you can touch it, you can get electrocuted as well. So better use this at all times.
At all times.
And put that in there and cook your stuff inside the stainless steel pot. And that's it, guys. And if you enjoyed that video, guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.